Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas 2023. I cannot believe that Vlogmas season is back and that December is here. I'm literally so excited to be filming for you guys and bringing you along every day throughout the month of December. I absolutely love this time of year because you guys really get a closer look into my life on a daily basis, and you guys just get to come along with me on every little thing that I'm doing. One thing about me is I love to plan my days, so I spent all night last night planning out my entire month of December down to the day and what I plan to do, but also film for you guys so I know that I'm creating very enjoyable content. There's a lot of holiday shopping I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be hanging out with some friends, filling orders for EP Jewels, having some days in the city, having some girls' nights, some get ready with me's, some full face of first impressions, a lot of hauls, a lot of unboxings, and skincare routine, makeup routine, self-care routine, a whole lot of goodness coming your way. So be sure you're subscribed and you have your post notifications turned on so that you guys don't miss any of my uploads. I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I got a new eyelash curler from Amazon. I believe anything that I'm talking about throughout the course of Vlogmas linked in the description below, but if I forget anything for whatever reason, just comment below and I'll be sure to comment back a link for you guys. Let me just show you guys my other eyelash curler that I've been using for years. I think it's in my pocketbook, but needless to say, I've had it for years and I definitely needed a new one. A lot of the stones were falling out, and also the band I think needed to be changed because it was pulling out a lot of my eyelashes, and that's just not good. So I just got this one. I actually just opened it, so let's see how it works. Ooh, that's really good. Little tip, whenever you guys are shopping for eyelash curlers, make sure when they're in the open position that these never touch, because that's how you know it's gonna have a very tight fitting curl. In the open position, it should just hang open like so, and that's why I love the bedazzled ones, because I feel like they always sit in this kind of formation. This eyelash curler is very good, and I'm so happy that I got a new one. If you guys hear Bianca in the other room, we had a sleepover last night, and that's all the noises and chaos that is going on out there. But she's just the cutest thing ever, and also a lot of videos with her will be coming in this month. We spend a lot of time together, even if it's just like 2 minutes of a vlog. She will be incorporated a lot, as well as her baby sister Alexia, who's actually turning 1 this month, so super excited about that. They're both getting so big. Bianca will be 3 on January 1st, which is absolutely crazy. I feel like it was just a few days ago that she was coming home from the hospital. It's actually making me feel old. I've been talking for 18 minutes. I don't know how much of this intro I'm gonna actually keep in, but this video might be very long, and let me know if you guys prefer long and more chit chat vlogs, or if you guys prefer like 10 to 15 minute vlogs, more condensed, showing more, talking less, and just kind of cutting to the chase. But I'm sure I'll do both, because there's some days I enjoy watching long vlogs, and then there's other days where I'm just like, all right, I want to watch this one but get to the next one. And with Vlogmas, I'm sure you guys have so many creators that you want to watch and get through on a daily basis, so I'm not the only one that you're going to be watching, and maybe having shorter vlogs is the way to go. It's so cold out. It's literally 37 degrees and the dashboard has a little snowflake next to the temperature. That's how cold it is. I'm literally freezing. This coldness came out of nowhere. I feel like it was so warm for so long, and then now it's just like brick. Also, I'm in a loaner car right now. I'm driving a Defender, and it's like so souped up and big and much higher than my car. I feel like I'm in a pickup. It's actually really weird, but I kind of love it in a weird way. I'm on my way to my dad's right now, but I'll show you guys when I get out what it looks like from the exterior, because it's really nice. To my dad's, and I want to show you guys a quick little overview of my room because I have yet to do so. I'll be filming a little more in depth of this room when I have a little more time, but right now I want to just give you a little pan over and then start the unboxing of all the PR downstairs. So I have the same mirror in my room at my mom's, the cloud bed from Restoration Hardware, and I have 2 different nightstands on either side. My view outside is of the backyard, and I just love how serene and pretty. I got 3 of these prints from SDH Paints on Instagram, and I have the 3rd one in my room at my mom's house, which you guys would have seen earlier in the video. And I just put these 2 here. Here are 12 giveaways that I will be doing during the month of December, so stay tuned for my Instagram, and also during Vlogmas I'll be announcing how you can enter to win all of these boxes. Here's a little sneak peek at just one of them, but they're all filled with skincare, makeup, hair care, all very exciting goodies. And then I have this really pretty cowhide, which I have always wanted, so I'm super happy that it's here in my room. And right under my TV, I have this really pretty unit with my jewelry box, some perfumes, some decorative accents, and right over here I have this chair, which I custom designed. I'm literally obsessed with it. This blanket is actually supposed to be on my bed, as well as this long pillow. It's supposed to be on my bed. So yeah, I just really love this chair, and it has a swivel as well. And right through these double doors is my closet, which I also custom designed, and I love how these built-ins came out. I have my 100K plaque right here, and some of my handbags. I feel like this wood just adds a lot, and I'm super happy I didn't go with plain white. So that's a little overview of my room at my dad's house, and I'm gonna go downstairs and open all of the PR that has been accumulating here since the last time I came, and I'm super excited because there's a lot of goodies. So let's go and open all of them. Can we just take a moment for my dad's bathroom? This being the background of a Get Ready With Me is just so calming and pretty. I love this bathroom so much. It's 2:13 p.m. and I feel like I've gotten a lot done today, and it's still so early, but obviously the sun's gonna set in 2.5 hours, which is just crazy, so it's gonna feel very late very soon. I've been trying my best to get up around 8:30 or 9 o'clock every day so that I can enjoy every bit of sunlight that I can. So it's been great, and I've been loving doing that. My mom now.
Hi you guys! Hi you guys!
Chocolate croissant warmed from a bakery.
Yummy, yummy! Oh my god.
That's good.
They warmed this up?
It's only 4:46 and the sun is basically completely down. And I got a peach iced tea, which is actually really good.
Oh my god. That was so freaking divine.
This iced tea is like weirdly good.
Really?
Yeah. My mom and I just finished our Whole Foods run. We were there for about an hour and a half. We honestly love going up and down every single aisle, even if we have no intentions of getting anything in the aisle we're in. We just still like to go up and down and make sure. So we really take our time, and we kind of use it as like a little decompression session. But yeah, we're back now. We loaded up the bellhop, we came up to our apartment, and now it's time to unload everything, wash all the fruits and veggies, load up the fridge, clean it out, organize it, do all that fun stuff. And also there's a Rangers game on soon. My mom already started prepping dinner for the night. Everything is just so festive and red and green and white, and I just love the aesthetic that's going on in here. There's just so much Christmas decor everywhere, and it looks so beautiful. If you guys go for a Target run, do yourself a favor and smell this candle. It is actually my favorite candle I've ever smelled. Here is the bellhop all loaded up. We got 2 cartons of eggs, a fresh loaf of bread, some of these tortillas to make breakfast burritos. I got white vinegar to clean all my fruits and veggies. I've been dying to try this olive oil drizzle to garnish on avocado toast, avocado oil, some orange juice, bananas, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, kiwi, some almond milk, pears, cherry tomatoes, some peanut butter and jelly. This is one of the best yogurts ever with granola, honey, and some fresh berries. It's just so good. Butter, filet, cheese, grated cheese, goat cheese, feta cheese. A lot of cheese going on. And for dinner for the next few nights, we got potatoes to make some French fries, tomatoes, onions, avocado for avocado toast, carrots and celery to make a nice vegetable soup, lemons for lemon water and avocado toast, and then we got 3 of these sushi rolls, which are really good and perfect for on the go. And then for another dinner, we got some broccoli rabe and some Swiss chard to go with the filet mignon. There's a lot going on here. I need to start putting everything away, and I also need to soak all of my berries and vegetables in white vinegar with baking soda. I do that for about 10 minutes and it just helps to get them very squeaky clean and none of that like frosted fog that sometimes is on them. Just like that, 10 minutes later, all of my fruits and veggies are all cleaned and ready to be eaten. Here is how I organize the fridge. It looks so good. We're making pasta with broccoli. So alongside the spaghetti and broccoli, I'm sauteing some tomatoes, white onions with salt, pepper, parsley, and olive oil. I wish you guys could smell this through the camera because it's just so divine. It is now 11:30 at night and I have a full load of laundry to fold. I still haven't even showered or gotten ready for bed in the slightest. I don't know what time I'm gonna get to bed, but staying up this late was not on my agenda for the night. I'm gonna fold this real quick and shower and wash up for bed.